Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, okay, which we observe in day-to-day life, and it is important, uh, very much important, and it's about our planet. What all things could be done to save our planet. Our planet is it's the Earth, isn't it? So, what all things harm our planet and how we, what measures we take to save it. So, we are going to learn about uh, the planet, how to save it. So, the lesson name is Save the Planet. What all things you do, what measures you take to save the planet, we'll be looking at. And what all things what kind of things harm the planet, we'll be learning about it. So, it's on the page number 25. So, what things to be done to save the planet, how a planet can be saved. See, in our day-to-day life, we are facing many problems, isn't it? Some are having allergies due to, and some are having asthma attacks. Why these all things? They are caused to a human being because of the environment around us. Okay, due to the pollution around us. What pollution? What kind of pollution? Air pollution. Okay. So, most usage of the things which harm our body and which harm our environment, in short, the planet, that things cause what disturbance in our body, even the surroundings as well. So, let's look into the first and foremost thing, or the what is a pollution. Okay, what is pollution, why it is occurring, on what purpose. So, what do you mean by pollution is nothing but making dirty the air, the water, the soil. When you make it dirty, in simple language, harming is called as pollution. So, pollution is what? Pollution could be defined as in simple language, it could be said, when pollution is caused when we make air, water or soil dirty, isn't it? You make dirty, then it is called pollution. See, last couple of days and every day in our day-to-day life also, we throw the garbage, isn't it? The garbage, whatever the household waste, you could say. And the shopkeepers, they also, the waste from their shops, the vegetable vendor might be, the meat, the butcher who cuts the meat, who chops the meat, even he might be. All the persons in overall, or in some or the other way, if we throw that waste in just an open area, then that area is polluted. That area got polluted, isn't it? So that comes under soil. And if you see in here in Ahmedpura colony, we can find all the the dirty water lanes, you could say, those canals, small canals, not large one. So those in your normal way, the moris, okay, those outlets, they are filled with the plastic covers, the whatever the people eat and just throw, they dump in there. So with the air as well, from the roads, they get and they stuck into those canals. So that causes from there the water which is traveled into the rivers. And here also here there Babansa Pahadi, you can find they dump all the garbage there. So the water which might be clear, which might be the good water, it turns into dirty water. In that way, water is being polluted. And how air is polluted? Air is polluted by using the loudspeakers. That comes under sound. How air is polluted by the usage of bikes, vehicles, and harmful gases which are released from the factories, industries, okay, in making certain things. So they emit many gases. In that way, the air is polluted. So making these all things in simple language, what we could say, when we make air, water, soil dirty, it is called pollution. And this is a simple language one. Coming into one by one, let's see how air is polluted, how water is polluted, and how soil is polluted. So what the first and foremost, air pollution. How air is polluted? Just now we came across that usage of vehicles and smoke from cars, vehicles, bikes, buses, and many factories, those smoke which is emitted from the factories, that cause air pollution. So in short words, smoke and smoke from cars, buses, or vehicles. In short, vehicles you could say, make all the vehicles, those are run by the petrol, diesel, most usage of it, okay. To eradicate it, to stop the air pollution in some or the other way, what you must do, you must walk, okay. You use a cycle, you use a bicycle, or mostly you try to walk. If it might be shorter distance, but people love to, and people take the help of the vehicles. They use the vehicles to transport, to move from one place to another. So that could be reduced, you could say. So smoke from cars and buses makes the air dirty. In short, causing what? Air pollution. Okay, this causes air pollution. Not only this, and the smoke emitted from the factories, industries, okay, chemical industries, and usage of many chemicals in the formation of, or in the preparation of any day-to-day life active these things, okay, making, manufacturing, okay. In that way also much smoke is emitted from the factories. So that emission of gases, you could say, which what you could say, which harm the atmosphere around us, the surrounding air is polluted. So in that way air pollution is occurred.